Nobody calls us here at Sell House Columbus because they're bored. People call us because something's broken, and it's typically not the house that's broken. It's the situation that's surrounding the house, and the house itself is only adding to the stress that already exists in other aspects of their life. It could be a job loss, it could be something medical, it could be an inherited property, it could be a property that needs repairs, it could be something as simple as needing to downsize or needing more space and needing to sell the old home to buy something bigger. The worst part about having a property that's maybe unwanted or that's causing you more stress in your life is the uncertainty that comes with it. And when you're selling your property to a traditional buyer, this is a buyer who's using a realtor and they're going to use a traditional lender like a bank to fund the purchase of your home, that can actually add to the uncertainty. Simply because you're dealing now with a buyer who's relying on a professional inspection to take place, they're relying on appraisals, they're relying on this lender approving their loan, and that only adds to the uncertainty because what if this buyer comes back to you after the inspection and says, hey, my lender will only close this if you fix the gutters, if you fixed the chipped paint, if you fix the doors. And what if you don't have the money to put into the property? Now this deal is going to blow up and you're going to be left in a worse situation than before you entered this traditional buyer agreement. That's why people call us here at Sell House Columbus. They want certainty. They want to work with a buyer who doesn't rely on inspections, who doesn't rely on appraisals, who doesn't buy the property expecting repairs to be made. We buy every property and it's as is condition. This level of certainty is what sellers who contact us are looking for. This is going to provide the relief that they're looking for and allow them to easily and conveniently sell the property and move on without adding any additional stress. At Sell House Columbus, we've been buying properties in Columbus, Ohio for over 14 years. We buy houses in Columbus, Ohio for cash. We buy houses all over the great state of Ohio, and working with us is extremely easy. We pride ourselves on clear, transparent communication. So what it looks like when you give us a call at 614-300-5151 or fill out a form on our website, sellhousecolumbus.com, is we'll get on the phone with you and have a very simple conversation. We just need to know more information about the property, also more information about any timeline you might be dealing with. This is very important and it's often overlooked. The timeline in which you're looking to close the transaction is very important, and if you're needing to close quickly, we can make that happen. We can close extremely quickly because we're a true cash buyer. If you're needing more of a flexible closing, we can accommodate that as well, and sometimes people need to wait until they close on another property before they can sell the property we're talking about. Other times people need a little time after the closing to move out. Other times there's tenant situations that affects the timeline. Whatever the case may be, when you get on the phone with us, it's very transparent. We're going to learn more about the property, the situation, and especially that timeline. We're going to make you a very clear and transparent offer. Now, we're not just making up numbers when we present an offer to you to purchase your property. Everything that we provide you and the offer that we make you is going to be backed by data. It's not just emotions, it's not guessing games, it's not sales tactics, and it's not gimmicks. We're going to show you exactly how we came up with our offer. We're going to make you a fair offer, and we're going to discuss every potential option that you do have. If our option is the best option for you, or if our offer is the best option for you, we're going to move forward. You're going to love working with us. It's going to be extremely clear communication the entire time. If our offer is not the best option for you, that's okay too. We'll shake hands, we'll part as friends, and there's never going to be any pressure or obligations. If we're not the best option for you, that's perfectly fine. We'll shake hands and part as friends, and oftentimes we'll actually point you in a different direction. We're happy to help you out even if we're not the buyer for your home. You have nothing to lose by giving us a call and discussing your options. Even if you're just thinking about selling a property at some point in the future, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. We'll get on the phone, discuss your options, and oftentimes we uncover options that you didn't even know were available to you. After we discuss the property and discuss an offer that's going to work for you, we'll send you a very simple purchase and sale agreement. We do it right over the phone, so it's convenient for you. And there's no fancy language, there's no fine print. It's literally 10 bullet points, just sharing exactly what you're getting for the property, exactly when the closing date is, and that we're buying the property in its as-is condition. It's nothing fancy whatsoever. And then we're going to do a very basic inspection. And when we do our inspection, this is not a thorough inspection. We're not here to nitpick your stuff. We're fully anticipating to buy this property in its as-is condition. So we're just verifying the property. We're looking at measurements, and we're kind of making our own plan, because after we close with you, we're planning on getting in there, doing our repairs and whatnot. That's what the inspection is. We're not here to nitpick or judge you by any means. And then finally, we're going to close on the property. It's going to happen at a licensed title company, and it's super easy because they come right to you. They're going to send you a mobile notary, and you don't even need to show up anywhere. It's nothing fancy whatsoever. They will come to you, we'll sign off on all the paperwork, and then you are going to get your money. That's a happy day. It's closing day, and you're going to get paid. You can get a wire from the title company, you can get a check, or however you prefer to receive your funds. Our mission here at Sell House Columbus is not to buy every house. It is to communicate effectively with every seller that we talk to. So if you have a house that you might be interested in selling, or if you have a house that might be causing you more stress than is wanted, give us a call at 614-300-5151 or visit us online at sellhousecolumbus.com. My name is Dave. We look forward to speaking to you, and we'll talk to you soon.